Hello, I am Trisha, and with my partner, we are here to teach you how to create a bootable flash drive and how to reformat your computer using the created bootable flash drive. First of all, you need flash drive with a maximum capacity of 8 gigabytes. Here is the my flash drive with 8 gigs, 8 gigabytes. You also need to download an application called Rufus. Hmm. Here's the Rufus application and the operating system you want to install. The OS must be in ISO image format. In this tutorial, we are going to use Windows 7. Here is the Windows 7. Next, Rufus will allow you to make your flash drive bootable one. Make sure you back up all important files in your flash drive because this process will delete all the files inside the flash drive. Open the Rufus application. Yes. In here, the Rufus application automatically detects the flash drive inserted in your computer. Here is my flash drive. The two things you need to change in the setup is this box here. As you can see, this box is already ISO image. If it is not, change it in ISO image and click the icon beside here. Then choose the Windows 7 operating system that you have downloaded here. Then click Start. Now we are going to wait to Rufus finish converting your flash drive into a bootable flash drive. After the loading complete, click the Close button. Now you have your bootable flash drive. My partner will teach you how to use the bootable flash drive to reformat a computer.
Hello, I am Sho, and I am going to continue to teach you how to install a Windows 7 operating system. Uh, Tricia have already told you how to create a bootable flash drive, and we are now going to use it. First of all, we are going to set up the boot priority of a computer. Let's open our computer. Okay, the setup for the BIOS of every computer is different, so be sure to check it out each time you buy a computer. Okay, there. Okay, we will go to the boot section of the BIOS setup. Here we will choose the boot device priority. Yes, this one. We will set this into the name of our flash drive or our USB. Then we set this one. After we set this one up, we go back, escape, then we choose save and exit changes. Exit and save changes rather. Okay, now we are going to wait the boot up once again, but this time we are not going to press the setup button. Then there will be a notice that you need to press key to boot up from the USB file. You will know that the boot up is complete or the flash drive is already boot up when the loading Windows loading shows. There we go. Let's just wait. The computer is not that fast, so now you are going to choose the language. We will choose English, and the time and currency format will be depending on what country, or you can rather choose English also because you can change it later. And the keyboard and input is on US also. This setup is for English setup. You can change this US input to any language that your country is using. Going next, then we will now click the install now here. Then this computer will the boot will automatically install the operating system on a computer. Okay, the setup is starting. We have just to we need to wait for it to load. Okay, in this part you're going to choose which operating system does your flash drive have. I recommend choosing the ultimate version, this one, and the architecture is on times 86. It is also a 32-bit setup. And now select next. Okay, then this is the terms and condition, license terms and condition. Which just press the accept, then we click next. The mouse is not obedient. Okay, now we will choose the custom advanced. The upgrading can be used when the operating system you have is a genuine one. In this part, I'm going to teach you how to do partitions and how to format the hard drive. The hard drive of this computer is already partitioned into two. The this one have 100 gigabytes, then the other one have the 117. So how? This is the system part, so this is the one we are going to reformat. Click the drive option, then we can click the format button here. But before that, there's a delete button here that you can use if you want the partitions to be deleted and the a unallocated space. Uh, the other one here is the new. This one can create a new partition out of the unallocated spaces. Then refresh. You know what it means. Then so we will click the this that we are going to format, then click format, and then it will tell you that this might have a recovery files, so just click OK, and then this will going to format the partition. Okay, after the loading, you can now click next. Click the hard disk where you want the OS to be installed, or the partition rather, then click next. After that, we are now going to wait for the Windows to be installed. The installation may repeatedly restart the computer. Uh, don't worry about it. It's part of installation. So let's now just wait, and I will back into you later. When the system asks you to click the click any key again, you don't need to click it again, because the operating system is already installed. Later we are going to change the boot priority again, so that the first priority will be on the hard disk drive. Now the setup is are starting again. In this part, we are going to put a username. We're going to place, I think, this PC is okay. PC. Oops, it's not clicked. Okay, this PC. Then this is the name of the computer. Next. After that, it will ask for your password. It is recommended that you put a password. I think I place 0713. Then I'll add 1207. And the type password 0713 1207. Then click next. Oops. It needs a hint. B-Day. Okay. After putting all of this, then click next. Then click uh, click the use recommended setting if the operating system is genuine. uh, Click ask me later if you don't want any updates to be installed. Click ask me later. Okay, we're now going to change the timeline here, your time zone rather. We're going to change the time zone. My time zone is on +8. Then the date today will be February 7. It's already February 7. The clock is 12:30 a.m. Next. Then the Windows is finalizing the settings. After finish After finishing the installation of the operating system, we were going to restart the computer and change the boot up priority. Okay, now we're going to restart the computer again. click start. Don't forget to click the key for the setup button. F2. Then go to the boot, change this one to the hard disk drive, then back the boot priority, it's already set. Then click exit and save changes. Okay, now you don't need to click the to pass the USB boot up settings over and over again. And there you go. The operating system is already installed. Thank you for watching our tutorial.